Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So this is chapter 8. We are going into the chapter of water, electrolytes and temperature regulation. Okay, this is a recorded video for part 1. So I will talk about water first. Right, so water is a clear, tasteless, odorless. Okay, it's a simple composed of H2O, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Right, so as you know, we as a human we can survive without water only for about 7 days. Okay, the least day that we can survive without water is 5 days. Okay, alright, so the rapid losses of body water through dehydration can lead to fatal, okay, or can lead to serious fatal in a short time. Okay, so this is more fatal or more dangerous for young children with diarrhea, lose large amounts of water and electrolytes. Okay, so kalau budak kecil hilang air ataupun dehydrate dengan cepat, lebih bahayalah. Alright, water provides no energy. Okay, but it provides nutrient essential to life. So it has several functions that can help to maintain our life. Okay, water composed of our body weight. Okay, constitutes most of the body weight, about 40%. Okay, so it provides medium within which the other nutrients may function. Alright, so inside the water it has electrolytes also. Electrolytes involved in physiological functions such as muscle contraction. Okay. Alright, so for example here, sodium. Okay, sodium is particularly function in the fluid balance. Okay, this fluid balance, so that means is a major determinant of blood pressure. Okay, so as I told you before, about 50 to 60%. Adult's body is composed of water. Maksudnya berat badan kita about 50 to 60% tu adalah air sahaja. So imagine if you dehydrate more than 10%, dia dah memang you turun berat badan, tapi dia dah boleh membahayakan nyawa. Okay, so imagine this is our body. Okay, so about 50 to 60% our body composed of water. Alright, so the body water stored in several body compartments. Okay, but they can move constantly between the compartments. So that means the water inside the cell can move out to the outside of the cell. Okay, so it constantly move. Right, 60% stored inside the body cell as intracellular water. Intracellular water means ICF, intracellular fluid. And then about 35% stored in the ECF, extracellular fluid. If you still remember in anatomy subject. Okay. Alright, so this is the compartments, okay, of the body water. From here, okay, we look at the fluids only. 55% of the fluids, okay, for female. This is for female, this is male. So ada beza, lelaki lebih banyak simpan water daripada perempuan. Okay, sebab female ni dia banyak fat than male. Okay, so we look at the fluids percentage only. Right, inside the fluids, okay, so kita ambil pecahan 60% here. Okay, so it divided into 2/3 into the ICF and 1/3 into the ECF. Alright, so ICF means inside the cell here. On the inside here. Okay, inside the tissue cell. So di dalam tissue cell ni lah adalah ICF, 2/3 of the body fluid kita. And then the ECF, 1/3 tu dipecah lagi kepada 2. Okay, divided another 2 compartments, which is interstitial fluid. Interstitial fluid is in between the Ni di antara sel-sel ni, di antara sel yang dekat luar ni dengan blood vessel ni kita panggil interstitial cell. Bukan di dalam blood vessel di luar. Maksudnya dia di antara sel, di celah-celah sel, interstitial fluid tu. And then other 20% inside the plasma. Okay. So this is the body water compartment. Just a revision. This is actually you learn during the anatomy subject. Right, variation in water levels. In terms of the tissue type, lean tissue have higher fluid content than fat tissue. Maksudnya orang yang badan dia lean tu maksudnya lemak kurang. Okay, muscle mass dia tinggi. So it contain, okay, he or she may have higher fluid content. Okay, and then in terms of the gender, of course males ni dia more lean tissue, so more body fluid lah than female. And then in terms of the age, lean tissue is lost with age. Maksudnya semakin kita membesar, semakin kita tua, okay, through the aging, the lean tissue will be lost. Okay, so when the lean tissue lost or it along with the body fluid, maksudnya body fluid pun akan hilang juga. Okay. Alright, these are the major functions of body water. So just a revision for you. It provides essential building for cell. Okay, building material for cell. Protect key body tissues such as spinal cord and brain. Remember the protection of the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, nama dia CSF. CSF. Alamak, lupa pula dia punya nama protection tu. Okay. Cerebral spinal fluid. Yes, CSF, cerebral spinal fluid. Okay. So itu adalah protection untuk kita punya spinal cord and brain. Right, and then essential in the control of the osmotic pressure. Okay, osmotic pressure in the body. So ataupun dia maintains proper balance between water and electrolytes. And then for major transportation, okay, they transport apa? Transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones, okay, carrying waste product. Essential for proper functioning of our senses. Okay, regulation of body temperature. Help maintain proper body fluid. Okay. Okay, water balance. So there must be a balance between water intake and water output. So whenever you drink, you consume the water, it must be balanced with the whatever that come out from your body. Okay, so kena balance lah. Alright, so fluid balance related to electrolyte balance. So intake of water and electrolytes really proportional. Maksudnya kalau you minum air tapi electrolyte you tak cukup pun tak boleh. Okay. So regulation of water intake, it start with the kidney. Yes, kita punya kidney is the organ that regulated the amount of water in the body. Okay, so the kidney conserves. Kidney ni dia simpan sodium and potassium. Okay, how they conserve sodium and potassium? By controlling renal absorption affected of aldosterone. So maksudnya renal absorption ni kalau dia monitor badan kita, kalau tak cukup sodium and potassium, dia akan absorb from the kidney. Kat situ lah dia akan absorb sodium and potassium sebelum dibuang oleh kita punya urine. Okay, and then satu lagi, how the regulation from the thirst. Okay, the feeling of thirst. Thirst is the sensation of thirst arises as a result of increase in the concentration of sodium in the blood. Maksudnya kita punya osmolarity tu, kepekatan darah, kepekatan plasma kita pekat. So bila pekat, itu yang menyebabkan kita dahaga. Okay, so water needs vary and it depends on type of food. Kalau you makan benda yang masin, salty food, you need more water. And then the environment, temperature and humidity. You tengok pula kita punya environment tu, kelembapan dia macam mana. You duduk kat tempat panas, of course you need to drink more water. And then the activity level of a person. Kalau you kalau you adalah active person, you need to drink more water lah. Okay. Right, so hormonal control. Hormonal control ni hormon yang control kita punya balance of the water. Okay, start with the AMP. AMP ni atrial natriuretic peptide. Okay, benda ni ada dekat kita punya heart, jantung. So function dia increase loss of water in urine. Okay, dia akan buang air berlebihan dalam badan. Okay, and remember ADH, okay, hormon ADH, antidiuretic hormone atau nama lainnya vasopressin ataupun vasopressin. Okay, and then satu lagi aldosterone. So this hormones function in reduce loss of water in urine. Okay, so body loses water through, so body maksudnya water output kita keluar melalui badan kita melalui kidneys, okay, which is the urine, kita kencing, the evaporation from skin, you sweat, the exhalation from lungs, okay, you hembus nafas pun keluar water, and then also in water in the feces. Okay, alright, this is as a summary. Daily water loss and intake for water balance in the sedentary adult female. Ini adalah summary of the water loss and intake. So usually berapa banyak yang you ambil, okay, itu adalah jumlah yang sama juga yang dikeluarkan. Water intake dia akan sama je dengan water loss. Tapi yang jadi tak balance tu bila apa yang faktor tadi tu, cuaca, you punya activity level lah, itu yang akan menjadikan dia unbalanced. Okay, alright, that's all for part 1. So I will continue in another video. Thank you.